going to write you a letter. When I turn the page, I'd have the courage, yeah. And it's tough to let go even after all of this time. You are the reason why I'm fucked up, was drugged up. I lucked out 'cause I believed in all those lies, that you loved me, you never loved me. I don't know how to accept that what you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, I feel so, made this void now, you don't look back, and it's got me like, I feel so, let's let you there. Let's let you there. What you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, feel so, made this void now, you don't look back, it's and I still see you smiling when you said to me, don't be a crybaby. And I've been told that you moved now, even though I still feel the echoes. I'm fucked up, and I can't love myself now. I live like I always lies, that I'm not enough, though you're not enough. I just want to shout it out, that what you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, I feel so, made this void now, you don't look back, and it's got me like, I feel so, let's want you there. Let's let you there.
You left your perfume on the pillow and your whispers in the air. Got your face stuck in the mirror, and I keep finding your hair. Got a big box in my closet with the fall pictures we took. Oh, and I keep finding dog ears that you left in my books. Miss your ache and I just crash over, guess you crashed in like a tsunami. Woke up next to you so hungover, sunlight painted stripes to your body. I'd give anything that I have for just another one of your nights. You can have it all in a life, just a minute more of your time. Just a minute more of your time. Just a minute more of your time. I still check our playlist, put it on low in the car, and your jacket's on the hang.